doing, asshole? Okay, Garmin, save video. Fucking asshole. I didn't know there was a cop behind me.
I love that song. I love that song too. I went and listened to it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No. Probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. And I mean, isn't Angela uncomfortable being in that room with all those other people, including her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at night. We've established that. That's true. Stanley is in the room with the cake, but he's not even eating it. He said his tastes have changed. Now all he likes is baklava, which I thought was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your sweet tooth, I mean, it's nutty. I love a baklava. I do too. It's dense though. It's a dense, sugary treat. I know. Please? And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomachache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat like 5 of them because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomachache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael, and Ronnie spy on the group. Dwight's like, they should not be in there.
Come on, go flying around me. Go flying around me. Go flying around me. Go flying around me. Come on, go around. Where's the cop? Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Go! Get him! Fuck yeah! Fuck you! Right in front of a cop, right? They're right next to me, and he's now speeding up. I think he cares. Oh, yep. You got him.
здравствуйте, мы
So
его за
he
руку
got it.
навязали к гаражу, чтобы далеко не отбежал. Вот, чтобы
Minute
все
later,
было до сварки, до
Karma
болгарки.
paid back right away.
Мы собираемся и едем.
Police reported ahead.
Друзья, попробовали запустить его на задней скорости.
How's your racing career, boy? Huh?
Grab their food while they could, but even so, we're still happy to answer questions and converse with me. Period. He's hooked. Ha 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 ha. Just passed a speed trap and a car came flying up on me on the left. State trooper just pulled him over. LOL.